everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look, a number 10 for my 14 days of love. And this video is also a collab with my girl A.MaRee Beauty here on YouTube. So make sure you guys check the description box below and check out her video, as well as subscribe to your channel if you haven't already. But we decided to get together for Valentine's Day and do a halo eye look because it's been a while since I've done a halo eye look, and I still need to practice on them because they are not my strongest area. So this is what I created. I have some technical difficulties with this whole entire look in general. It just really didn't come out the way that I had envisioned, and it was a mess. But here we are. I got the look out. Last minute I decided to add this by Pixi. I think this is like a topper. So I decided to add this last minute because with this lipstick color, I had to switch it to this, and it's a little bit too bright for this look. And then I had overlined my lips by accident. So I'm just telling y'all, like, overall this look was just like a mess. But okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you guys like the look as much as I do. If it's the lashes, wrong set of lashes, my hair, I don't know what's going on, but it's fine. It happens. It's life. But anywho, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.